All right, now we're going to have a look at example 1. And in example 1, we have two polynomials, and we need to complete the chart for each polynomial. So let's start with A. So in A, we have negative x squared minus 8x plus 3. So the first thing they're asking us to find here is the numerical coefficients. So the numerical coefficients in this question are the numbers here in front of the variable. So we're going to have a -1 and we're going to have a -8. Okay, so again, it's the numbers with the letters attached. Then we have the leading coefficient. So the leading coefficient goes with the variable with the highest power. So in this case, we have -1. The variable is an x. We do not have any other variable in this polynomial. The constant term is the number with no letter attached, so that will be 3. The number of terms in this polynomial are, well, we have negative x squared, so that's 1, negative 8x, that's 2, and positive 3. So we have 3 terms. And the type of polynomial is a trinomial. For question B, we have 3y squared plus y. And in this one, the numerical coefficients will be 3 and 1. Okay, those numbers that are attached to those variables. The leading coefficient is the number with the variable with the highest power, so it'll be 3. The variable here is y. The constant term, we don't have one, so we're going to write 0. The number of terms, we have 3y squared, that's 1, and we have y, that's 2, so the number of terms in this polynomial is 2, and that gives us a binomial.